Woodworking is an age-old craft that has been practiced for centuries, and it remains a popular hobby for many people today. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, having the right tools is essential for achieving the best results in your projects. Woodworking tools also inspire a sense of wonder and awe, as they enable us to transform a piece of raw wood into a functional or decorative object. Let's take a closer look at 12 woodworking tools that everyone must see. Protractor T-square. Protractors and angle measuring devices are numerous for small furniture and construction projects, but for large ones, Protractor T-square is the best option. The head and the beam of the protractor have been designed using high-grade aluminum. Woodpeckers' mills and experts machine this metal into precise protractor tool components by making it rust-free and durable thanks to the heavy anodization. The components are then joined together using the hex and bolt system so that you can always get the damaged part replaced. Not only can these T-squares assist with aligning and placing parts perpendicular to a board's edge, they also excel at marking precise distances from the edge. As you approach the center of the beam, there are 1 mm holes placed at every 1/16 inch distance. This accompanying wall mounting bracket ensures efficient storage and quick access. Pro 18V brushless router. The 𝗵𝗿𝗃-𝗵𝗂 is an 18-volt brushless trim router that can be operated with just one hand. It is a highly versatile tool that can round all types of wood with its powerful motor that can reach up to 30,000 RPM. It features a 6 mm collet size, which is most commonly used size for accessories on the market. The spindle lock feature of the router enables quick and simple router bit changes, making it easy to switch between different routing applications. The built-in speed dial feature allows you to adjust the speed of the router to suit different materials. The magnesium guard of the router enhances its durability, making it a reliable tool for heavy-duty tasks. The ergonomic slim grip design of the router also ensures maximum comfort during extended use. The 𝗵𝗿𝗃-𝗵𝗂 trim router is compatible with the Pro 18V system. Wolfcraft 3D miter angle. The angular and millimeter scales are useful for versatile types of applications. This plastic marking tool is ideal for taking and transferring the measurements onto plastic and wood beams along with three-dimensional workpieces. The rectangular geometry of this marking tool allows you to take precise markings around the tough corners. The biggest advantage of this tool is that it can accurately transfer the miter angles to two sides of a workpiece. 45 degrees and 90 degrees are where the limit stops are present. The scale between 0 and 90 degrees is useful for the free angles. 3D miter angle accounts for accurate marking on parallel line markings. The drill gauge is also supported by this tool, which can measure the diameter of any drink bit within seconds. The design is unique and compact too. Hercules Compound Miter Saw. The Hercules miter saw is engineered to provide high-precision cutting. The nested capacity of the 7/2 inches with crown molding with a vertical capacity of 6/3/4 inches for the broad at the base makes it one of the best cutters out there. 4,100 RPM at 15 amp contributes to outstanding machine performance. The precision is increased due to the precision system in the form of blade guides. The LED shadow guide makes it easier to identify the lines of cut to make accurate cuts every single time. The saw blade that comes with this cutter is a professional blade with a carbide tip and 60 teeth. This cutter miters 60 and 50 degrees to the right and left, respectively, to cover a versatile range of cutting. The bevel angle adjustments are made easier due to the oversized bevel scale. The detent override system is ideal for minor adjustments without losing accuracy. Star M Adjustable Circle Cutter. This adjustable circle cutter provides precise cuts on wood and gypsum boards. It can also be used for sealing light, pipe, and duct holes if required, but it is best suited for gypsum and wood. The body and drill are constructed of high carbon steel, while the changeable blade is made up of high-speed steel. This circle cutter is used with a drill, and the maximum RPM depends upon the bar length. The RPM is approximately 1490, 1390, and 590 for bar lengths of 120, 200, and 300 millimeters respectively. Using the long bar can extend the drilling diameter limit up to 300 millimeters. You can use the hex wrench to adjust the sizes, and the twin blades perform fast and precise work. Gypsum boards can also be drilled by using a plain brad drill instead of a center drill. Lamellar Zeta P2 Biscuit Joiner. The Zeta P2 serves as a biscuit joiner when dealing with P-system joiners and also serves in making the form-locking P-system groove. It is very easy to set up for different angle variations. Drill jigs are present for all angles ranging from 22.5 to 180 degrees. There are dual depth adjusters, and you can adjust the 𝗕𝗶𝗃 until it flushes and clamps fully. The vertical drive system of this machine automatically moves the machine up and down when maximum plunge is obtained, which helps in forming a T-slot biscuit hole. The P system anchorage allows for connecting tools without any screws or adhesives. The vertical drive system can be turned off to use 𝗕𝗶𝗃 for wood biscuits. The stop square is used for variable adjustment of the groove position from 0 to 50 mm. Detachable joints at any angle, an 800-watt motor uses a lamello flush base plate that contains an internal dovetail for stop square. There are two variants. One comes with a carbide tipped cutter, and the other one comes with a diamond tipped cutter. Woodpecker space divider. This tool eliminates the math out of the equation when dividing the workspace into equal parts is concerned. The design and manufacturing of the space dividers are unparalleled. Each component of the space divider is made of stainless steel using a computerized laser. The two surface area joints are intentionally kept large to keep the spacing intact once you have set it. All you have to do is set up the first and last pair of arms. Errors such as stack up are eradicated. The minimum spacing of this space divider is 3/4 inches and the maximum spacing is 4 inches. The maximum length of this tool is 26 inches when opened fully. It is only 6.5 inches when collapsed. 301 stainless steel type is used in the construction of the divider. This is a simple and quick solution to divide the workspace. Bosch 6500 Professional Planer. This planer has a maximum cutting depth of 2.6 mm. Fast planing is provided by a high-power 650-watt motor. The airflow is also optimized for proper wood chip ejection. This planer is 140 mm high and 280 mm long. The planing width is 82 mm, and this machine weighs 2.8 kilograms. The adjustable depth of rebating ranges from 0 to 9 RPM, and the speed when not loaded is 16,500 RPM. It also provides protection on wood surfaces due to the optimized parking shoe. Maintenance is very easy and budget-friendly, as the pair of HSS blades is replaceable. Dust management is also made simple by the 35 mm hose. This planer is ideal for angled cutting and also for cutting at the edges. The planer has a V groove in the base that allows for easy chamfering and shaping of edges. 𝗏𝗃 Custom Pocket Hole Plug Cutter. This plug cutter allows you to cut any type of custom plug from any type of wooden species. You can easily hide all the pocket holes on the wooden workpieces using this plug cutter. You can also curate the plugs from any type of wood. Precise drilling is ensured by the drill guidelines made of hardened steel. Clean and smooth plugs are obtained due to the high-performance bit that is specially designed to achieve spotless plugs. Plugs for pocket holes that are of standard size can be easily manufactured using the bit that comes with the pocket holes plug cutter. Once the plugs are manufactured, you can easily cut them using a hex saw. 𝗪𝗏𝗃 Turbo Shaft. An ideal tool for power carving on wooden surfaces. This turbo shaft attaches to any 100 or 115 mm angle grinder with the spindle of 5/8 inches. The replaceable carbide teeth are also fitted in the shaft, which provides extreme durability even when sculpting on the toughest timber out there. The turbo shaft is made for letter work, different profiles, and sculpting with precise details. The adjustable gauge for depth cutting edge design pairs with the carbide teeth to enable users to craft decorative effects, signs, texts, and masterpieces from templates. Allen and Torx keys are also included in turbo shaft package. MLCS Dovetail Jig. The MLCS Dovetail Jig is ideal for obtaining half-blind dovetail joints. The template is made of aluminum, which makes it solid, and the pivots are made of steel, which ensures that the workpieces are kept intact when dovetail holes are being formed. The perfect dovetail joint are obtained only because the rigid steel pivots firmly hold the two workpieces in place. This tool is ideal for drawer sides that are up to 1 or 1/2 inches thick. 5/8 to 1 inch thick drawer fronts can also be treated with this tool. An upgrade over the ideal drawers, the dovetail joints are more durable than conventional joints. The self-spacing guides at the edge allow for the perfect alignment of joints. Joints are created simultaneously, so there is no risk of not getting a precise fitting. 𝗬𝗫 Strap Clamp. This tool features a strap on both sides. The strap is drawn from both sides simultaneously, which ensures the pressure applied is uniform throughout the object. It has a clamping capacity of up to 23 feet, and the working angles are between 60 and 180 degrees. It weighs 1.27 pounds and comes with coiling mechanisms and rewind mechanisms that eradicate the risk of coils getting damaged. The handle is durable and made of composites which give it an ergonomic aspect. All the miter joints face an even pressure when the strap clamp is being used. No distortion in pressure is necessary to achieve high perfection in workpieces. This tool comes with 4 various corners that are used for pivoting. The strap is highly durable and the special woven polyester provides protection against tearing. The highly elastic strap can withstand a force of up to 1,000 pounds, which is a strong proof of the durability of the strap. This tool is ideal for versatile applications and workpieces. It is not only used for perfectly rectangular workpieces, but also proves highly valuable when dealing with irregular shapes such as hexagon or circular workpieces. The grip is quite firm and allows the workspace to stay intact. If you liked the video, check out this video, 12 coolest means of transport.